Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to resolve Windows Update error 0x80073701, then let's look at the following solutions. So the first solution would be is to troubleshoot the Windows Update. So let's right click on Start, Settings, click on System. Let's scroll down to Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and we will click on this Run button corresponding to Windows Update, and this should troubleshoot Windows Update and clear the error message. The other thing we can do is we can delete the system admin and cat root 2 files which stores the Windows Update file. So how we can do that is we can look for disk cleanup and click on it. Select the drive you want to clean. Yes. All right. Now I will go to clean up system files. Select the drive you want to clean up. Yes, C drive. And you can see Windows Update cleanup. So it is cleaning up the system admin and the cat root 2 files. And press OK, delete files. Once it is deleted, this should clear the problem. If still the error message pops up, then we have to run an SFC scan on the disk. So let's look for command prompt, right click, run as admin. All right, system32 and SFC space /F space /R, press enter, and this will perform the system check and say that your system is perfect or not. The last option is to restart the computer in a clean boot configuration, which means that when you restart the computer, no third-party apps will be running on startup, only the basic Windows services. How do we do that? We look for system configuration, click on system configuration. Now we'll click on services. All right, before we proceed, a word of caution here. Before we disable all services, which we have to do, we will click on this box here in the lower left hand side, hide all Microsoft services, and only then we disable the third-party services like here and so. Please remember, because if we disable the Microsoft services, if you restart the computer, the Microsoft services will not load and this will not allow your computer to restart. So once we click on disable all, hide Microsoft services, disable all, apply and OK, and this will restart your OK and restart, and this will restart your computer in clean boot configuration. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.